Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook pixel issue. So you can see my pixels are disabled. So in this situation you have to go for in the see details. After that you can see page like this. You can see here is my account is restricted now and I can't do anything from here. So go for in this right side and click on this continue request. So now you have to enter your phone number and go for your 6-digit code. So if I go another code, okay, so I have to wait for my 6-digit code. After that, so yeah, now you have to enter your 6-digit code here and you have to continue. Okay, so when you can go for continue, after that Facebook will reply you to within 2 days and fix your pixels issue within 2 days. Okay, so uh, it's not working in my mobile because some issues. So whatever, you can do it like this and you can fix your pixel issue from here. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.